Explaindio Agency Edition review. Hey guys, this is Shan from nkacademy.com and welcome to my Explaindio Agency Edition review. So in this Explaindio Agency Edition review, I'll talk about what Explaindio Agency Edition is, and I'll also give you a full walkthrough of Agency Edition of Explaindio. As you can see here, I have got access to Explaindio Agency Edition, and I have got you covered with a ton of custom bonuses for this Explaindio Agency Edition review as well. With that being said, before we proceed that further, I want you to know exactly what Explaindio Agency Edition is in a nutshell. So in a nutshell, Explaindio Agency Edition allows you to create Doodle sketch videos, 2D animation videos, 3D animation videos, explainer videos, full motion videos, custom videos, any kind of videos that you probably can create using any tool. With that being said, all of these stuffs are already done for you. They're done for you templates that you can readily edit and customize by filling in the blanks. So it's a zero technical skill required tool, and you can easily leverage it to make your money online by selling this as gigs on different marketplaces, or by creating your own videos on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and other places as well. The best part, it has got you covered with 600 animated scenes with all customizable backgrounds and props. Plus, it has got you covered with 500 doodle sketches, colored and black and white. Plus, it comes with 500 full HD backgrounds that you can use as videos, plus 300 fonts to use, along with 6 characters that you can use on your videos. Plus, it comes with step-by-step tutorial that you can actually use to get your things done. Now, last but not the least, it actually comes with a community access as well, where you get like-minded people who are using Explaindio Agency Edition as well. Now, the best part, it comes with proofs, like you can see on different freelancing sites like Upwork and Fiverr. People are charging thousands of dollars for creating premium gigs that only last for 30 seconds to about 1 minute. And you can see they have earned a huge amount of money thus far creating all these gigs. That means these are quite in demand and quite popular in this freelancing spaces, and you can readily sell these off on any platforms that you wish to. The best part is that you can use it for your own business as well, and you can explore different platforms because it allows you for those vertical videos as well. With that being said, if that sounds interesting to you, then please stick on with me till the end of this Explaindio Agency Edition review. And just to let you know that I have got you covered with a ton of custom bonuses for this Explaindio Agency Edition review. Now, if you want to take a look at my bonuses anytime during this review or after watching this review, all that you need to do is go down on the description of this video and click the link to my bonus page, which should take you to my bonus page that should look like this. And in here, there is every detail on Explaindio Agency Edition. You can just go through it at your own time. I'm not going to do that for you right now because that will be a waste of time, because I'm going to give you a full demo. With that being said, I do have a ton of custom bonuses, as I already told you, and all of these are related to different type of softwares. Like there are video marketing software, there are voiceover software, there are funnel builder software, there are membership site building software, there are website building software, mobile app building software, and whatnot. You are covered with all of them. Plus, I'm also giving you some special softwares that are most congruent with Explaindio Agency Edition. Like I'm giving a easy web builder desktop app that allows you to create websites from your desktop. Nothing to learn, no technical issues whatsoever. What you see is what you get kind of editor it has. Then I'm going to give you a 2D animation studio via which you can create animated characters and animated scenes. Then I'm going to give you Compositor 2.0, which is the best compositing software for Windows and Mac. So again, a great one to have with Explaindio. Then I'm going to give you a screen marker that can be very effective if you are doing any tutorial kind of videos. Then I'm also going to give you a video editor that can help you to create 4K exports at zero cost. Then I'm going to give you a panorama photo stitcher that can help you to effectively combine different photos available and make them into a unique one. You can rebrand it in your name as well. Then I'm going to give you an audio recording and editing software as well. I'm going to give you a Tik Video Cyborg, which is a web-based software that can help you to explode TikTok platform. Then I'm also going to give you Opt-in Up that can level up your opt-ins, right? And also I'm going to give you Email Engage. This can skyrocket your email engagement because it creates urgency, it creates engagement, it makes more sales and commissions as well. With that being said, everything is written on my bonuses. Then you can find there are all premium kind of software that I'm going to give you. As I told you, there are traffic related software, video related software, SEO related software, ranking hacks, funnel building software, agency building software, and whatnot. I have covered you in all aspects possible. And also I have given you a text to speech creator as well, which can be very useful with Explaindio, because in Explaindio, You can create explainer videos from scripts, and then you can use my bonus to give it a voiceover as well for free of cost. With that being said, they are training on Google ads, Facebook ads, and whatnot. Everything is covered on my bonuses. So I would urge you to please come over to my bonus page and check for yourself how premium my bonuses are. Now, with that being said, now it's time for us to actually take a look at Explaindio Agency Edition. It's time for a demo. And then once we come back, I'll be discussing the pricing that it has, and I will be having a great deal for you as well. So stay tuned till the end of this Explaindio Agency Edition review. Hey, welcome to this Explaindio Agency Edition demo within the Explaindio Agency Edition review. Now, in here, you can see this is the dashboard of Explaindio Agency Edition. And in here, you can find different things, like it's a timeline based editor, as you can see over here. On this left hand side, you can edit any and everything, and on this side over here you can see the preview. With that being said, there are plenty of assets that are going to be available. So to give you a full demo, let's create a project. So just go over here and click on create project, give it a name and click on create, and you can see it has been created, right? Now, what we want to do is that we want to add slides. So to do that, you can just come over here and click on this plus icon, and this will actually allow you to add slides. So just click on create new scene. And once you do that, on this bottom hand, you can see everything coming up. Like you can add your audios, you can add 3D objects, you can add animations or slides, you can add videos, you can add animated GIFs, you can add bitmap image, you can add sketch image, you can add text, you can actually close the canvas as well. So with that being said, let us start with the done for you stuff. So you can find all the done for you stuff under this add animated slide. And in here, you just need to choose this add Explaindio slide. And in here, you can see there are plenty of done for you stuff. Like you can see here, accident attorney, accountant, ad caster. Then there is a bullet point presentation. Then here you can see Animoto. Then you can see app promo. You can see ascent pages. You can even go down over here and you can see there are blackboard animation, business idea, business presentation, characters, chimney replacement. Then there are doctors, dentists, and whatnot. So you are covered with anything and everything that you want to. I'm just going through this so that you can understand how much kind of templates that they have, and you can see ton of them, right? So you can just go ahead and make sure that you choose the one that you want to. Say, for example, I want to do a product promo, so I can select that. And in here on the right hand side, I can see the preview of the scene, right? Now, each of these scenes actually consist of multiple scenes, as you can see in this window over here. So you can just go through this and find the preview that they have over here, right? It's cool, right? Now, what you can do is that you can select all the scenes, or you can mix and match between different things as well, right? You are getting my point. Like you can select 4 scenes from this and then 5 scenes from maybe another one, right? So I'm not going through that. I just wanted to show you how to do stuff. So let me just select these 3 over here. And then you can click on add selected. Now, as you can see, as soon as I've added them, they have been added to my timeline as well. Here we can see the 3 scenes over here, right? So now what we want to do is that we can take a preview. So if I click on preview, you can see the preview is coming up. Now you can see these are placeholders, right? Your logo, and then whatever percent you can do over here, you can add your own pictures over here. So how to add that, I'm showing you, don't worry. So we have seen a preview and the preview looks quite interesting, right? So now in order to change the slide, that is whatever there are in the placeholder, you want it to be customized with your own things, right? Now, before actually editing each of the slide, I just wanted to let you know on one point that whatever is there pre-built, you can actually add on top of that as well. Say, for example, if you want to add a image over here, you can just click on add sketch image and it would be added to the scene. So you are not restricted to the templates only, but you can start with the template as a starting point, right? So that's the kind of power that Explaindio has. With that being said, now I'm going to show you how to edit the placeholder. So for that, we'll just close this canvas, click on close canvas. And as you can see, the 3rd slide is selected over here and it's already giving you a preview, right? Now, in order to actually edit any of the slides, say, for example, the first slide I want to edit, like here is your logo. So we want our logo to be there, right? So we need to come over to this slide option from here. And then in here, we can find this customize this animation. Just click on that. And once you do that, you can see all the text area appears like your logo. In place of your logo, you can write NKR Academy. Just for an example, right? And on the text area too, you can find our product promotion. So you can say our reviews, just for an example, right? And now if we actually preview the scene, so just hit on scene preview and you can see it's NCR Academy and it comes our reviews, right? So you can imagine that with this, I'm not going to show you every stuff, but I just wanted to show you how it happens, right? Now, for example, if you want to do the same with the next slide, just select that slide. Again, come over to the slide from here, go over to this customize this animation. And in here, you can see all the text, all the placeholders, right? You can see all the text that are there. You can even see the images, right? There are some images that have been used, like the image area 1. If you just click on that, you can see there is an image area 1, image area 2, image area 3, image area 4. That means you can add up to 4 different images, right? And you can also add a background image. So that's how cool stuff it is. Now, if your template has a video, you will find that video in here. You can add the video as well. You can add whatever video you wish to. You can even go ahead and create an animation for that as well. So you can also control the outline, like what will be the border, what will be the offset, everything you can do, right? So it's absolutely customizable, while you are going to get the flavor of done for you stuff as well. So it's very easy to use and at the same time very robust as well. With that being said, let me show you one more thing. It has this ability to export in different aspect ratio as well. You can export the same thing in a vertical video if you want to. You can see it has been marked over here. You can export it as a square video as well, or you can export it normally as well. You can even add voiceover. You can add music. You can have a looping effect to it, whatever you wish to. So it actually gives you a lot of options to play around with, right? Now, if you want to give a voiceover, just for an example, you can just click on this, click to add scene audio. And in here, if you have an audio file, you can just click on it and upload it. Or what you can do is that you can just go over to this open canvas, and in here, you can add your audio. Just click on add audio. And in here, you can add any audio that you wish to, right? So that's how cool stuff it is. So with that being said, that is more or less a walkthrough of this tool. And I really wanted to show you how easy it is to play around with it and how robust it is, right? Now I'll show you how to create different type of videos with Explaindio Agency Edition. So this will be a rather quick one because I have shown you everything over here so that you can follow me easily on this demo. So let's jump in. So in here, we are going to create 4 different kind of videos using Explaindio Agency Edition, right? So first of them, we'll create a 2D, 3D video, right? So for that, we'll just click on this add slide. And from here, we'll add animated slide. So now in here, we'll create on add slide and we'll add Explaindio slide and just click on that. And in here, you can see there are different done for you slides. You can just add any of them and then you can just click on add again. And this time we'll select another one, right? And you can see all these are coming up on the timeline, as you can see on top over here. You can play around with it. You can drag it to whatever position you want to. And then again, we can add a third element to it as well. Once done, we'll click on close canvas. And in here, you can see it gives us a nice kind of preview, right? So we have created the basic. Now we'll go over to this 3D object and we'll replace it with our own image. Whatever image you have, you can just give it as an overlay and it will appear on the screen. So this is how basically the 2D, 3D animation works. And as you can see, it looks beautiful. Secondly, we'll go for Doodle images. And in here, we will go for Doodle animation video. So for that, again, we'll create a new slide and add sketch images. Now there are plenty of done for you sketch images. You can choose any of them, right? Now, once done, we can choose the drawing style and the hand style and everything. So there is a detailed tutorial as well. So first of all, let me add a little text over here so that there is a meaning to it. So you can write whatever you want to. You can change the fonts, you can change the colors, you can change the size, you can change the position wherever it appears, everything, right? And then on the timeline, you can add an effect right in here. This will be the animation effect that will be there, right? So quite amazing. With that being said, we can actually add different things to it, like a speech bubble. And within the speech bubble, we can add another image. And then we can also add another bit of text so that it gives it a more storyline, right? Now, if we just play it, you can see it looks amazing, right? It's a proper Doodle video. And this is something that you can sell for any top dollars you want to. Now, with that being said, it's time for us to actually go into the third kind of video that we can produce with this. And this is going to be a full motion video that we are going to create. So for this, we'll go to add slide and we'll add animated slide. And in here, we'll choose an animated slide and again, keep on adding these animated slides, right? One after another. And as you can see, now we have got 3 slides. We have adjusted the timeline. And now it's time for us to actually use our own images within it. So for that, again, we'll go to slide and customize the slide option as I've shown you. And in here, we will actually upload our own images. So go for images, and in here, you can select any image that you wish to. Say, for example, your client's products or anything. It can be a product slideshow, anything that you can create, right? I have shown you these stuffs all. So this is basically how you create a slideshow video or an explainer video or a full motion video, anything you name it, right? Quite cool stuff. With that being said, you can change the outlines, you can change the borders, you can change the animations, you can change the timeline, you can play around with it. Everything is customizable, right? So once you have made the changes, and if you this time go around and you can add your videos to it as well, as I had shown you. With that being said, now it's time for us to actually take a preview and look at that. It looks beautiful, right? You need to just pay a lot of dollars to actually get this kind of videos for yourself. So with that being said, that is how it works. And last but not the least is an explainer video. So for this, we'll click on add slide. And in here, there are done for you animated slides, which we have already shown you. There are different done for you piece of slides in different business domains as well that you can use. And then again, you can go for customization. You can change the text, you can change the logo, you can change the pictures, anything and everything as I've already shown you, right? So with that being said, this is how it's done. And it's very easy to use. It's a complete drag and drop tool. You can just take a preview and you can see how easily I could create an explainer video within seconds and how professional it looks. So quite amazing, right? So with that being said, I really hope that you have enjoyed this Explaindio Agency Edition demo. So with that being said, I really hope that you have enjoyed this Explaindio Agency Edition demo. And if you're really looking to pick up Explaindio Agency Edition, then why not via me? Because I'm giving you the best in class bonuses and the most congruent bonuses that are available on the internet for Explaindio Agency Edition. With that being said, please feel free to shop around and see what other people are offering, because I'm 100% sure that none would be even close to what I have offered on my bonuses. Now, with that being said, if you want to pick up Explaindio Agency Edition and ensure all of my bonuses, then you just need to go down on the description of this video and click the link to my bonus page, which we have already gone a walkthrough of. And in here, if you scroll down, you can find any of these red buttons, clicking on which you would go over to the Explaindio Agency Edition sales page. That should look like this. And in here, you can just go through the sales page at your own time. And once you like what you are seeing, you can just click on any of these buttons to get access to Explaindio Agency Edition, along with all my bonuses thrown in for absolutely free of cost. Now, remember, it comes with 5 user license included. That means you can actually delegate the license to 5 other people, and that can also help you to make a lot of money as well. With that being said, all your bonuses would be directly delivered inside your JVZoo dashboard. Now, if you find any difficulties in accessing them, kindly email us at our email ID, which is nkracademywb@gmail.com. Or you can contact us over our Facebook page, which is facebook.com/admin_NKRacademy, and we'll be more than happy to help you out. With that being said, now it's time for us to discuss the pricing that it has. The front end is going to cost you around $37 per month or $67 per year, or it has a one-time pricing of $497. But with that being said, I've got you covered with a 66% coupon code. That means it should cost you $147 one-time price, which is absolutely no-brainer according to me, because you can't find this kind of video creator for you. It does all the stuffs for you. You don't need any whiteboard animation tool. You don't need any 3D animation tool. You don't need any explainer animation tool. Otherwise, you need to pay for each of these stuffs, and all of them comes for a monthly price. So you are saving a ton of money with this, right? And if you go by my recommendation, absolute no-brainer to have. With that being said, it has certain upsells, like there is a club edition, which gives you templates for free of cost, but it comes with a recurring upgrade price, right? Then there's a Pro Creator Pack, which actually helps you with transitions and 3D animation, and it's going to cost you $57. Then there's a 500 characters pack at $37. Then there is a 3D character converter, which actually helps you to convert anything into a 3D character, and it should cost you $47 a year or $197 one-time price. Then there is an animated business sticker at $27 as well. With that being said, if you are interested in Explaindio Agency Edition, then what I would suggest you is that you should go for either the front end, which gives you anything and everything basically. On Explaindio Agency Edition, you are going to get everything that I have shown you, plus you are going to get unlimited video permissions as well. That means you can actually render unlimited videos with it. But all the upsells are congruent because there are templates that helps you with your cause. There are additional characters, additional assets that can be really helpful for you. But if you go along and buy each of them individually, then it's going to cost you a lot of money. So what I would suggest is that you can scroll down on my bonus page to the absolute bottom of my bonus page, where you are going to get an offer for a bundle deal. Here you are. It has all the 7 upgrades of Explaindio Agency Edition bundled together at a one-time price of $297 only. Remember, it's going to be a $397 priced, but you can get $100 off by applying a coupon, which is written on my bonus page, right over here, the ones that I have highlighted. With that being said, the decision is up to you. But if you ask for my recommendation, I will say either go for the front end at $147 one-time price, which is a good one to have. Otherwise, if you want to actually explore the total part of Explaindio Agency Edition, then my recommendation is that you should pick up the bundle, because at $297, all the stuff's included. It's a quite no-brainer to have. Plus, if you are going to get Explaindio Agency Edition, then when they upgrade to Explaindio 5, you are going to get that for free of cost. So that's a great thing to have. Now, with that being said, it brings me to an end of this Explaindio Agency Edition review. And I really hope that you guys have enjoyed this Explaindio Agency Edition review. If you have, please smash me a like and let me know in the comment section if you have got any questions regarding any part of this Explaindio Agency Edition review. We'll meet again pretty soon somewhere over the internet with some other videos. Until then, please take care of yourself and your families. And don't forget to keep making money online. Signing off, Ishan from NK Academy. Take care. Bye-bye.